We are Cerebral Serenity. We are a biomedical engineering enterprise, and our mission has been to develop a portable, inexpensive, at-home quantitative sensory testing device that aids in the prediction of the onset of migraine. The problem that we are addressing is chronic migraine. Currently, there are about 3 million people in the United States and about 100 million people worldwide that suffer from chronic migraine in 2024. The complications with this condition, aside from the sudden debilitating symptoms and complex pathology that makes treatment difficult and unpredictable, is that 1 in 4 people do not seek treatment. In the course of a migraine attack, there are 4 periods. The first of these periods is the prodrome phase, which occurs before the onset of migraine symptoms such as head pain and nausea. In this period, the patient may have heightened sensitivities to light, sound, and other sensations, and it is predicted that in this period, there may be a possible predictor of migraine with pain tolerance. We plan to utilize these prodromal heightened sensitivities using quantitative sensory testing, or QST. This quantifies pain thresholds by applying a stimulus that will evoke a sensory response from the user. There are multiple types such as vibration, thermal, which is hot and cold, and brushing. We will be quantifying the prodrome phase in order to best predict if a patient will have a migraine in the next 24 to 48 hours.
Now moving on to market gaps, currently QST devices are very expensive. Our competitor has a price of about $50,000 while ours is underneath $200,000. Another issue is with inaccessibility. Currently QST devices must be used in clinical settings with a clinician, while ours with minimal training will be used at home and it will be self-administered. Another issue is with bulky and leaky QST devices. Our competitor is approximately 9 kilograms with leaks, and ours is underneath 2 kilograms with no coolant used.
Our solution is the SAMM. This stands for Sensory Assessment and Migraine Management. While on screen also includes important components, which include a heatsink to dissipate heat, a Peltier to deliver heat, the thermistor to measure changes in temperature, and the copper plate, which is what's touching the user. On the left, we see a beta prototype placed on the user's forearm, and on the right, we have the model that will be used to control the device, along with the connector, the LCD screen, and the power supply.
Our software is controlled via an ESP32 microcontroller via SPI controls. This has allowed us to code an automatic testing procedure for our device. This test works to generate pain threshold data, which is averaged and then compared to patients' normative data for later use. This code also includes built-in error handling as well as user training. Our software is controlled via the training animations were designed to be completed within minutes. These will operate directly off the device's LCD screen and will guide the user through the process. These can be repeated if necessary. Here's a preview of those animations.
Design features 2 control buttons, one for start and one for stop, that are easily labeled. It features connecting straps that are easy to put on and take off with one hand to secure the device. It will prompt the user to continue with yes or no at every temperature step. And the device will turn off automatically at 47 degrees centigrade. Thank you for joining us as we showcase our portable at-home QST device. We have been Cerebral Serenity.